Hey everybody! So we are going to do a fun little activity called the Easter Bunny application. So you are going to pretend like you want to be the Easter Bunny, and if they were looking for a new Easter Bunny, you would be filling out what they call an application. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out, and you can follow along on your paper with me. I'm going to get a marker so you can see it clearly. If I can find my little markers. I don't know where they went. You know what? I'll just use this one right here. So first off, you're going to put your name at the top. So write your name. My name is Krista. And I am going to put that I am 6 years old. So you put how old you are. This is age. They need to know your age. And then birthday, you can ask your parents to help you figure out when your birthday is, but mine is May 23rd. I'm going to put that. May 23rd. So now I've got to answer some questions because they need to know some things about me to see if I would make a good Easter bunny. So this one says, are you good at hiding things? I would say yes, I am pretty good at hiding things. Here's yes, here's no. You're choosing. Be honest. Can you hop around? Yes or no? I'd say yes, I can. Can you be super quiet? Yes or no? I'm going to say yes, I can. Do you like to travel? Travel means, do you like to leave your house and go different places? I would say yes, I do. And then they want you to say, what is the best Easter candy? And so I'm going to say the best Easter candy is jelly beans. If you like chocolate or something else, you're welcome to put your favorite Easter candy there. And then they want you to sign it. So I'm going to go ahead and sign my name. You can sign your name however you'd like. The date is the 3rd month, the 26th day, and the year is 2021. So you're going to write it like that. Feel free to pause the video if you need to stop and do that. And then they want you to do a couple different things. They want you to draw yourself as the Easter Bunny here in this box. And then they want you to decorate this Easter egg. So you're going to draw yourself as the Easter Bunny. I'm just going to draw a silly little drawing. I'm going to put like I'm in a costume. Big bunny ears. And I'll even draw a couple whiskers. And then I would color this in, of course. And then this Easter egg, I'm going to draw a really cool decoration on this Easter egg. Fancy. And then I will color this in as well. So there is your Easter Bunny application. I hope you enjoy this activity. Feel free to take a picture of it and post it on Class Dojo Portfolio for me if you'd like to share it. I'd love to see it. Thanks, friends.